Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you spend a lot of time charting or analyzing markets on TradingView, today's tutorial is going to be a game changer. We're going to walk through exactly how to create your own custom toolbar on TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know how to organize your most used tools so you can work faster, keep your workspace tidy, and never have to hunt for that one tool again. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to TradingView. Just open up your browser, type tradingview.com and log into your account. If you're already logged in, great, you're ready for the next step. If not, don't worry, signing in only takes a moment. Think of this as setting the stage, like laying out your desk before starting a big project. Now, once you're on TradingView's homepage, look up at the very top, you'll see a menu with a few different options. What you're looking for is Products. Go ahead and click on that. This drops down a menu with all the tools and features that TradingView offers. It's like opening up a toolbox to peek at all the different things you can use. Next, direct your attention to the left side of the screen. Here you'll notice the Tools section. This is where the magic really starts because this area lets you browse through all the drawing tools, indicators, and chart features that TradingView has in its arsenal. The left sidebar can feel a bit overwhelming if you're new, but don't worry, we're about to personalize it to fit your workflow. Here, where customization comes in. By adding your favorite tools to your favorites, you're creating a custom toolbar that suits how you work. Think about your favorite pens or highlighters you always keep within arm's reach at your desk. This is the digital equivalent. To create your own custom toolbar, just hover your mouse over any tool you know you use a lot. Let's say you love the trend line tool, for example. Hover over it and you'll notice a little star or add to favorite icon pop up. Go ahead and click that. Instantly, this tool is now saved to your favorite section, ready to go whenever you need it. Super simple, you can repeat this process for as many tools as you want. It could be the Fibonacci retracement, the brush, or even certain shape tools. Every user is different, so feel free to pick the ones that best match your trading and charting style. Don't worry if you accidentally favorite a tool you end up not using. You can always remove it later just as easily by clicking that star again. There's a bit of trial and error here, and that's totally fine. And that's it. By following these steps, you've created a custom toolbar that puts all your go-to tools at your fingertips. No more digging or endless scrolling, your workflow just became a whole lot smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by hitting that like button. Got questions or want to share your own favorite TradingView tools? Drop a comment down below, I love hearing from you guys. And if you want more tips and step-by-step guides like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.